Hello everyone, myself Vedant. Today is October 28th, and today this is my first YouTube video in which I'm analyzing crypto markets. Crypto markets, that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins. I would be doing multi-time frame analysis and sharing my view on some of it. So let me show you the coins we are looking up. First one is, of course, Bitcoin. Second, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana, Doge, XLM, Link, AVEX, LTC, and Bitkit. So these are the coins we would be looking up at further and doing analysis. So let's begin with the first coin, with the Bitcoin only. So firstly, we would be looking at the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame, easily recognizable. It's extremely bullish, like heavily bullish. Last month, September only, it closed a good bullish candle, and the 4 days left to closure of this October month candle, it's a doji. Complete doji, no body, only wicks upside downside. Extremely manipulative market right now. So this is the view on monthly time frame. It's just 4 days to close. I would be posting monthly time frame 4 days after this closure. Now let's have a look at weekly time frame of the Bitcoin. So we on the weekly time frame as well, it's bullish. Like we can see, it gave a breakout, good one. Again a breakout, unable to sustain, but again gave a breakout and just consolidating right here, unable to sustain above these levels right now, consolidating. Maybe it could retrace back till this level. So we could mark this level as a demand zone for further purposes. So right now, this is the last swing we have with us right now on the weekly time frame, and this is the market consolidating right now. We could see markets retracing up right here as well, or somewhat right this zone below this level as well. It could test this level or grab the liquidity right here. Let's come up at daily time frame for a better view. On the weekly time frame, on the daily time frame, also this is the last swing level we could see, which gave up a breakout. Market sustaining above this level is good indication for the markets, as it's showing the bullishness and the strength of the market. It's really good for it. So on the daily time frame, only suggestion would be above this level, it's extremely bullish, and below this level and above this last demand zone, it's bullish. Not bearish one, it is bullish, but just a retracement would be there, and again it would be going up and up and up. Bitcoin is extremely bullish right now. So on the daily time frame only as well, we could see this only. This is zone which is resisting, unable to sustain on this level, as we saw on this weekly time frame as well. So let's come up at 4 hourly time frame for better view of market. So this was the daily demand zone, and now as you can see, this was extremely unexpected, huge move that came in the markets and crashed every single cryptocurrencies except Bitcoin and Ethereum and some other ones. Everything fall 60%, more than 60%. So on the 4 hourly time frame, it's not a bullish one, but it's on a area of selling. This could be a selling zone right here, supply zone. As we can also see, this is some candles closed below this. It was unable to sustain above this level. It break this level and just came back. So this shows it's a really good supply zone right here, and we could plan up a trade right here below this closing. It's just on the basis of a simple liquidity sweep. This price took above this level and just reversing it back. So we could plan up a trade right 1:3 to 1:4 somewhat. I could say you could plan up right here, or for safe exits we could plan up right here because this was also a good reversal zone. It formed a double bottom pattern right here. This was forming a double bottom pattern, which is, and this was the neckline of the double bottom pattern as well, which it failed to break or sustain above it. So let's let's see what happens here right now. If it breaks this low, you would be shorting this work, and right now only this level is right here and no bullishness right here in the 4 hourly time frame. For now, only sells. Uh, Lastly, we could be seeing hourly time frame for more better understandings. So on the hourly time frame, it's quite bullish right here. It was bearish right here, and it just break the first high, the second high, again highs. So this shows a bullish structure. But right here we are having the supply zone. So we could see the price coming below this level and changing its character and going down towards this target level. Let's hope what's gonna happen next. On the daily time frame also this looks good. So let's come up at next coin, with it's the Ethereum. Ethereum also is somewhat bullish on the monthly time frame, but it's extremely important level. It failed to sustain above this level, and just reversing it back on the monthly time frame, it's just showing a great reversal pattern. Let's see how it closes. This 4 days are left for this monthly candle, then we would be talking about this. And so let's come up at weekly time frame. What's going on the Ethereum? Ethereum is such a consolidation phase. This is the demand zone, and this is the supply zone for the Ethereum on the weekly time frame. Just that's it. Inside this area, it's just consolidating, and you could plan up small trades, right? This, Like you could buy this level, you could have sold at this level, this level, this level. Okay, so there's nothing much right here. It's the last we could mark up as this level as importance of the demand zone might be coming right here or no. Maybe. So that's all for the weekly. Now, daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. So this high weekly time frame, oh, daily time frame, it's bullish, but on a seriously extreme level where it failed to sustain and just reversing at the back. And we can't say it's bullish right now. It's just consolidating right here. And this was the zone for the buying from right where it went and just consolidated. On the daily time frame as well, Ethereum is not looking much good for buying or selling even. It's just in the middle of something. Okay, Ethereum is just in a consolidation phase. We could be, we could say that buy the dip we could do in this one. And let's come up at 4 hours. 4 hour, 4 hour is bearish, totally bearish right now. As we could see, this it break this low. There's a good mark. This right here. This low was broken, and then this low was broken. It shows bearishness completely. It wasn't able to break the highs and just came right here. Sorry, supply zone, and um this could be meant as head and shoulders pattern as well for some. And again, at this level only, it showed extreme selling. So for now, it's bearish on 4 hourly time frame. And again, this is zone where this when it was trying to get over there, and but it's showing reversal pattern. It's just if you can see, this is a double bottom, a double top pattern forming right here. If if it also breaks below this level, it would be a sell. You could plan this or this. This was the safer side, or this was just risky as stop loss. And we would be planning this lows, all liquidity of these lows, or the extreme low right here. This was 1:3, 1:4 trade right there. I'm marking up for 1:3 firstly. Let's see what happens. So if you can see, this was a Bitcoin chart on the 4 hourly time frame where we planned the same trade right here in the Ethereum business. So let's see what happens next. Again, on the hourly time frame, if we see hourly time frame is also showing the bearishness right here in the Ethereum only. No, just this buying was visible right here when it broke this level. this levels, this level, crazy. Now this is forming a double top pattern and just here crossing this neckline and unable to sustain below this. If it breaks just this price, it might go down, and that's what we want, and we are planning it up for the downside. Let's see if it breaks or it reverses back up. We will be seeing for another trade then and what forming. So this was about the Ethereum. I hope you liked the analysis. I would be sharing the further analysis on other altcoins as I showed you up, right? All of these in the further videos. I hope you like this. And if you want the more trades like these, you follow me on Instagram and I would be sharing all of these trades right on time with you guys. Thank you so much for watching.